Hey everybody! Today we are learning to add tenths with missing addends. Now if you're not too sure what addends are, you've been using them your whole life, it basically means a number which is added to another. So if it is missing, you're going to get something like this. So as you can see, we've got 2.6 plus something equals 5.2. This something here is the missing addend that we are trying to find. Okay? So, whenever we get maths, we want to make it as simple as possible, and to solve questions like this, I want you to think of a number line. So what we're trying to find out here is we're trying to find out how big this jump is from 2.6 all the way to 5.2. Now we won't know that straight away, so we want to simplify this a little bit more and make some easy jumps to simple, tidy numbers. So what do you think my first simple, tidy jump is going to be? What's the easiest number up from 2.6? Hopefully you can recognize that the easiest number will be 3.0. That's going to give us a real good starting point to get to 5.2. And to get to 3.0, we have added 0.4. Now the next jump, I'm going to jump almost all the way to 5.2, still going to keep it nice and tidy, and I'm going to end up at 5.0. So to get from 3.0 to 5.0, we are adding 2, or 2.0. Same thing. Now I've got one last jump to make. We're going to go from 5.0 to 5.2. How much have I added to jump from 5.0 to 5.2? I have added 0.2. That 0 is very important because we're working with tenths on this last one. Now we aren't quite finished yet. We still need to add up all of the jumps that we've done. So we've done 3 jumps here. So we need to add up our 0.4, 2.0 and 0.2. Now when I'm adding up numbers like this, I like to keep my tenths together with my ones. So I'm thinking of 0.4 plus 0.2, which would equal 0.6, and then I've got 2 ones as well. So I'm going to go 2.6. So 2.6 plus something equals 5.2. The answer is 2.6. And just to recap, what you need to do is go up nice tidy jumps to easy numbers. You don't have to use a number line, but you do need to think about those nice and tidy jumps, and then you will get the correct answer. Okay, so if we've mastered that number line, let's try doing it without the number line now, and I'll show you what that looks like here. So we've got 3.7 plus something equals 8.1, so we're missing our addend. And if I'm picturing that number line in my head, I'm starting at 3.7. And I'm going to jump up a nice and tidy number to get to 4.0. That's my nice and tidy number I'm trying to get to. So in order to get there, I will need to add 0.3. Now, if I'm at 4.0 now, I'm going to jump up another jump, picturing it in my head, all the way up to 8.0, which would be adding 4, or 4.0. And now I need to think about the last jump, which is jumping up to 8.1. So I'm at 8. I need to get to 8.1. That means I will need to add 0.1. Okay? So that all together will take me to 8.1. But that's not our answer. The numbers that we are concentrating on here are these numbers here. These are the jumps that we have made on our number line. So if I've got my ones, I know I'm at 4, and I need to add 0.3 and 0.1, so I'm adding my tenths together. That's going to take me to 4.4. And so that's pretty much the basics of adding tenths with missing addends. The keys to remember is to make sure that you go up in these nice, tidy, simple numbers. Don't make it hard for yourself, because maths is all about making it really, really easy. Okay? So make it easy for yourself, go up in those nice tidy numbers, and then you will do really well with this. when you've mastered this one, the next step will be going on to adding hundredths with missing addends. So have a great day and go and practice.